5. My dear good people of Opobo Nkoro, our dear leaders, let me sincerely thank the people of Opobo Nkoro and their leadership, and also use it to thank the Amarabo of Opobo and the Council of Chiefs for receiving us warmly this morning. In fact, when we went to see His Majesty, it was very clear that the people of Opobo Nkoro are ready to lead River State come May 29, 2023.
That's all.
I told the Amanabo of Opobo, in this life we are in, nobody knows whom God will use to bless anybody.
Yes, sir.
I told the Amanabo of Opobo, it is as yet during your reign, during your tenure, Opobo got road. Before now, nobody could go to Opobo Nkoro by road.
Yes, sir.
Was it possible?
No way.
Was it possible?
No way.
It was during our administration that this was made possible. We give God all the glory.
Yes, sir.
We thank God for what He has done. Again, I told the Amarabo of Opobo, the time has come. Under your tenure, you are going to produce the governor of River State.
Now, wow.
Now, you remember in 2015, when one of your sons came, God used me and knocked him out.
Technical knockout.
You know why? You know why? Ubenka watagacha.
Otagacha.
Ubenka watagacha.
Otagacha.
Now in 2023, God is using me, bringing Ubenka Characha to now be the governor.
That's so.
You see how the word is?
Yes, sir.
God's time is the
Best.
God's time is the
Best.
Who will ever thought of all the struggle, whether it will come to River Southeast, whether it will be River Rhine, whoever thought it will be from Opobo Nkoro?
Nobody.
So this election, we don't need to campaign to you. It is your election.
Yes, sir.
If you say you don't want a governor, let it be with you. You don't want to produce a governor? You don't want to produce a governor?
We want to.
You want to produce governor?
Yes.
Unu choro governor?
Yes.
Unu like the governor?
Yes.
Unu buruga wao? Now ask yourself, if me, who is not from Opobo Nkoro, can have the heart to give you road, what more? Your own son, who will be given this red barrow. Do you know what this called is? This is the power of the governor.
Yes, sir.
This is the power of the what?
Governor.
Now this red barrow, now it cost everything. Now this red
Barrow.
if you don't get time, you don't go to sign anything.
He didn't dare.
If you didn't dare,
He didn't dare.
if you didn't dare,
He didn't dare.
but in his own case, the red barrow day.
He did.
The barrow by he day.
He did.
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 Take him, take him.
Yes, sir. Sifu bara.
We say in Nigeria there must be the principle of equity, there must be the principle of fairness, there must be the principle of what?
Justice.
And that's why When we say Yendeba,
Yendeba.
Yendeba, 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 Yendeba. Yendeba, 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 Yendeba.
Don't you like that principle?
We like them all.
Is it not a good one?
Very good.
Now, the governorship one is set to not be so.
Now so.
But in Piggy is set to not be so.
Now so.
Abiante is set to not be so.
Now so.
Adolfo is set to not be so.
Now so.
The other one, him, Balolo, Adawari, council chairman, party chairman, they go meet her. Tell you where we go. Not be so.
Now so.
Not be so.
Now so.
If you like us,
we like you.
if you hate us,
we hate you.
if you push us,
we push you.
if you fall for us,
we fall for you.
if somebody say no like you, you go force yourself.
No way.
You go force yourself.
No.
Maybe one person say I love you, you say you love him.
Now so.
If somebody say he hate you, you go say you love him.
No.
Far, far, far.
Wow.
Far, far, far.
Wow.
As I was coming to Popo Nkoro, I was reading on social media. One Abia Sakibo, he said, I'm not a man of integrity. Ask him, what did make go about Sunjo Sakam? Ask him, I was a minister, I was not sacked.
No way.
I resigned to run for governorship of Rivers State.
Yes, sir.
And I ran and I won.
Yes, sir.
Ask him, he mean resign.
No.
Ask him, why he resign?
No.
Why they sack him?
The Poshua.
See, man, when they sign, they come talk to me. Are we equals?
No way.
Are we equals?
No way.
Rivers State people know those who cause problems for their local governments. They are not broad in my hand.
No way.
I've never one day. You come out and say what it has done. Come, this is live coverage. Talk up.
Blood plenty.
We will show you. We will show you your reporter.
God.
We will show you your reporter.
God.
As all of them come here, I need to feel the pain. Say even if you get money for bank, you know if you go collect the money.
No way.
I need to feel the pain.
We dey feel am.
And I sure say they pay on that.
It depend us.
And I sure say they pay on that.
It depend us.
So this is what Central Bank do. And I know that can back.
We no like am.
I know that can.
We no like am.
Tell me how you say they remove the world currency. No be so.
That's so.
But the one way say they bring, they honor the CI.
No way.
Can you buy fuel?
No way.
Can you buy anything to eat again?
No way.
Now tell me, anybody who say in love Nigeria, when they run the election, they support this thing where CBN do. Or I go vote for them?
No.
Or I go vote for them?
No.
Now enemies of Nigeria, now then they support this type of thing. I believe, say, they not tell President Buhari the correct thing. But if they tell him, as me and they go the same time, 29 May, no be
Now be about the same time.
they go the same time, nobody go stay one day passage.
No way.
So, me I know say, the man will like to finish well and go. Not be so.
That's so.
As me, they finish well, they
go.
So I don't go say anything will go bad. Advice and that kind of thing. Now people when don't like him, now then they plot all these things. Do you understand me? But I believe say, in go hear the cries of Nigerians. Do you understand me?
Yeah, so.
Nobody go tell me say that because of corruption, I they do this, you know.
No be true.
When they fight corruption for 3 months, all of us they go. 3 months, now we fight the corruption.
No.
No be so. No be so. This policy now policy where people they target. Say make an verse. When I verse, and I go demonstrate. When I demonstrate, the riot fee come. When riot don't come, They say, no, don't fit the election again. Then they go say, we could do interim government. And I go support interim government.
No way.
No matter the provocation, I go tell everybody, Melembe. This election we go do am. This election we go do am. This election we go do am. Because nothing go stop Opobo Nkoroma to be governor. Nothing. God don't ordain am.
Yes, sir.
So anybody when they do anything, make we vex, to go protest, to go fight, make enemies come capitalize on that.
No way.
To say they don't postpone the election.
No way.
Now interim government. Far. This election, now by a PVC, no be so.
Now so.
This election, now by waiting.
PVC.
Now by waiting.
PVC.
This election, no be election of Kabalo. Now election of what? Nigerians.
Now so.
Now election of what?
Nigerians.
Kabal stay where you dey. Allow Nigerians to use their PVC and vote for their son to become governor.
Now so.
For Barinada and Piggy to become senator.
Now so.
For Abiante to go back to the House of Reps.
Now so.
For Adolphus to go to the assembly.
He don't finish.
Not be so.
Now so.
Make nobody try them to say they won't do anything when they go score to this election. If those people will be agents, devil will go see them.
Now so.
All this when they plot this party, them and devil will go meet.
They go meet.
Not be so I talk.
Now so.
Not be so I talk.
Now so.
We go use our PVC to do it.
Prepare them.
What do
Yes,
we
we can prepare them. Oh, yeah. We must be prepare them. Oh, yeah. Yes, we can prepare them.
Opobo Nkoroma, you are the best. You are the most entertaining.
Yes.
Anyway, I'm not surprised. You want produce governor, you're not going to be the best. You must be the best now. If you not be the best, people going to talk. Not be so.
Now so.
I'm not going to tell our children where they're going to do yaga. Tell us somebody to stop that rubbish.
Bobo juice.
Tell us somebody to stop that
Rubbish.
This is one for Nobiam. This is one for Nobiam.
Nahimo.
Proper one for. So tell those people who I don't know where they come from, maybe they stop making those. Now they stop to make
noise.
If not, Opobo Nkoroma go verse, so if they verse not, they will say they make on a verse. Now, minimum make on a verse.
They go pursue.
Not be then they make on a verse.
Now demo.
Make it cool down or make your people know.
Cool down.
So I thank you so much.
Yes, so.
I have said before I leave, May 29, I must sign your ring road. That is the gift I give honor, because your son has shown he's a dependable and loyal person.
Now so.
And when a child washes his hand well, he eats with the
Elders.
That be so.
Now so.
He has washed his hand well, and he has been invited to the table of
Elders.
We now wait on the old men. Now they're going to take care of with the old men. Not be so.
Now so.
Not be so.
Now so.
So I will sign that ring road, and he has no choice but to finish that
ring road.
He has no choice but to finish that
ring road.
In my handover note, I go make an express. I go make a what in?
Express.
I go talk and say, now the covenant, now the agreement, when me and the Opobo Nkoroma people enter. So when you come, make it finish the reading road where they say, no be so.
No so.
No be so.
No so.
Agreement now.
Agreement.
Agreement now.
Agreement.
When is they prepare them?
It is sweet us.
As it is sweet us.
He gonna pay them. As he dey pay them, he gonna sweet us. As he dey sweet us, he gonna pay them. As he dey pay them, that's why he gonna sweet us. As he dey sweet us, he gonna pay them. As he dey pay them, he gonna sweet us. As he dey sweet us, he gonna pay them. As he dey pay them, he gonna sweet us.
You know, Opobo Nkoroma people. Now I not take happiness given everything I beg. And I don't connect too much. Thank you and God bless you.
All right, shall we take the national